Dear friends, I am Dr. Anil Shah, Suryakanta Eye Hospital, Nandurbar. In this video, I am demonstrating you a unique thing that a snare loop breaks while bisecting the nucleus. So, how to manage these things is very simple. Now, here 4 millimeter incision is done and a crescent blade is used to make a scleral tunnel incision. The inner length is about 5.5 millimeter and the outer length is about 4 millimeter. This capsulorhexis is done with the 26 gauge needle. Extension is done by 2.8 millimeter blade, crescent blade. The nucleus is prolapsed into the anterior chamber. The nucleus is brought into the AC, anterior chamber. Nucleus is made free floating into the anterior chamber. Adequate amount of viscous is injected in the anterior chamber. Now this viscous is injected anteriorly above the nucleus and into the angle and to the sides of the nucleus. Now this snare is used to engage the nucleus. Now the snare is passed obliquely below and to the side into the angle of the nucleus, and now it is rotated vertically. But during bisection, the snare loop breaks. You have seen the loop getting broken while bisecting, but this doesn't cause any damage to the endothelium or posterior capsule. Now broken snare is removed and AC is again filled with the viscous, and a second attempt with a snare loop is done, but here the loop is not going properly because the nucleus is not free floating and nucleus is slightly engaged. So again anterior chamber is filled with the visco and nucleus is made free floating into the anterior chamber. The viscous is injected at the angle and above the nucleus. Now the wire loop is taken. It is snare wire loop is passed obliquely. New snare is taken for bisection. It is passed obliquely in the angle and override the nucleus, and a bisection is done with the snare. A clear cut bisection is seen. Now the bisected nucleus are separated by injecting visco. Two halves are separated. Now these halves are removed by thin long McPherson forceps. Hold the nucleus along the entire length and then pull the nucleus. The nucleus comes out easily. It doesn't cause any damage to the endothelium. It is not rubbed to also endothelium, so it is freely coming out. Another half of the nucleus is also removed with the thin long McPherson forceps. Hold it along the entire length and then pull it out of the incision. This McPherson forceps is very safe than using a Vectis. See, the incision length is almost 4 millimeter. Now the cortical wash is done by manual eye and the cortex is removed. In the bag, implantation of the IOL is done. The main feature we want to highlight is the nucleus. The snare loop breaks while bisecting the nucleus. Now the air is injected and the chamber is formed. Dear friends, this is my book written in year 2000, Small Lesion Cataract Surgery Manual Phaco, based out of West. And this book always also demonstrates everything about the snare. Thank you very much for your kind attention.